Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter, and the car has speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.